Intense Pulsed Light Instruction Guide. It is important to fully understand the features and control locations of your IPL before use. Pulse control, key lock safety, IPL handpiece, pulse counter. To prepare your unit for use, plug your IPL handpiece into the appropriate jacks on your driver unit. To enable your machine, insert key and turn right. The IPL produces hazardous levels of light which can seriously injure the eye. Always use eye protection. Reset your pulse counter to 0 and place your pulse setting on number 6. You may now test your IPL handpiece by pulling the trigger switch one time, which will deliver 6 pulses of light in roughly 1 second. Like laser, IPL will injure the cells which are responsible for hair growth by way of thermolysis. IPL works best on clients who have light skin combined with dark hair growth. After a series of treatments, the continual site-specific trauma to the follicle tissue will eventually destroy the hair growth. First, spray the area with a lidocaine or benzocaine topical numbing compound. For effective treatment, the glass optics must be in contact with the client's skin. It is important to leave the skin wet during treatment to avoid unnecessary discomfort from heat. Deliver 5 to 6 pulses per second per centimeter squared to the client's treatment area. Permanent hair removal is a gradual process which can take up to 3 months to see results. Human hair has a growth cycle of roughly 90 days. It is generally only susceptible to destruction in the early anagen phase. Regrowth after treatment is normal. Much of this activity will be coming from hairs which were dormant at the time of the original treatment. Additional treatments spaced every 10 to 14 days will result in a progressive permanency. Delivering more energy to the skin than recommended or treating more than every 10 to 14 days may result in capillary bruising. It is essential that you keep track of the total energy delivered to the client with your pulse counter. To keep your IPL performing at optimal levels, regular maintenance is necessary. Using a cotton swab, gently clean the optics with ethyl alcohol. Remove any carbonized deposits with an X-Acto blade. Your IPL lamp is rated for over 1 million pulses and replacement is easy. The lamp is sensitive to shock and may be damaged if the instrument is dropped. The IPL comes standard with a clear ball lens. Additional optics, ruby and sapphire, are available for more specific wavelengths. It is important not to exceed 50 degrees Celsius with your IPL handpiece, otherwise serious damage may occur. To avoid overheating, it is important to allow a 2-second pause in between every 1-second emission. Changing the lamp or optics is very easy and takes only a few minutes. Step-by-step instructions are included with your kit. Additional uses for your IPL are wrinkle reduction, age spot removal, rosacea and sun damage, scar reduction, and tattoo removal on most inks. The instructions sent with your IPL are intended as an entry-level information source. For more information on IPL in dermatology, it is recommended that you obtain the following textbook: Procedures in Cosmetic Dermatology Series, Lasers and Lights, Volume 2, by David Goldberg.